So guys, si Karen na nagka-camera. So guys, kung mahilo kayo, sorry na po. Oh my gosh, giant size. So my gosh, it's our first time to walk here na walang tao. It's always full of people. We wanna
Fake shrimp.
Fake ba? Pwede ko i-touch? Hindi, totoo. May
Totoo yan?
Not, saan ka galing? The whole morning I was looking for you.
Chanel po, ma'am.
Thank you. Magkano yun? Very cheap. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited! Okay, photo.
Photo.
Babe, hindi ka magaling mag-photo.
Oh, boarding na.
Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course. So, okay, we're now here at the Sky Bar. And look, of course, may mga fresh herbs. Wow, ang cute. Walang lights. And this one, oh my God, it smells so good. This one, basil. And of course, La Dear Karen is there inside. Okay, we're here. I'm wearing Filipiniana. Kuno-kuno, cause they said Filipiniana attire, but all of them are wearing a tank top. They have Pinoy singers down here. So guys, si Karen na nagka-camera. So guys, kung mahilo kayo, sorry na po. Okay guys, mapag-birthday ko na naman. Ay, naka-steady. Okay.
Sinatsagaan ko din.
Nakasaan niya. Because the view is nice.
Ayan, sumayaw. Ayan, dear. Dear, hapon yung kumakanta una mo.
Oo, let's go Pinoy. Let's go.
Where are we sitting? Go, so nakata.
So here, magandang
Tawa.
I hope here na lang.
Sige, sige.
Wow! I love this song. Wow, fantastic na.
Ayan, no.
That's hapon?
Oo.
Oh my God, I love this song.
Ay, hindi siya hapon. Hindi Pinoy. Pinoy.
Guys, Pinoy. Sana naman, sana naman. Michael Bublé. Written by Blake Shelton. I'm coming back. Wow, Pinoy guys here at the Sky Bar.
Taga saan kayo?
Taga Cebu po, ma'am.
O, taga Cebu. Kausapin mo naman.
There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, that hero lies in you.
So we're now having cocktails here for Pinoys. Okay, here in Osaka. So, okay, it's 12 a.m. here and we're looking for a ramen place. Okay, this is it, the ramen place. Oh, this is the one that we're the Ichiran, where we get from Don Quixote. Oh my gosh, is that the wait? Like 50 to 60 minutes waiting. Oh my gosh, an hour wait. Oh, are you willing to wait, babe? Oh my gosh, at 12 a.m. But look at the line. It's 12 a.m. So, okay, we're going home.
And it's what time?
And it's 12 a.m. in the morning. But this is the ramen that we're getting from Donkey. Oh my gosh, it's 12 a.m. and look here. Okay, we're walking to the hotel, but we're looking for a ramen place. So, okay, Phil decided to eat here na lang. Grabe the ramen places here.
What do you like?
Pork.
This one.
Pork? You like pork? Oh my gosh, giant size. So Phil, go and eat na. I'm so full. Giant. Oh my God, it's so full. My God, yung 1 hour wait, I cannot get over. Okay, look. Full pa rin. Talaga. I gave up na. Babe, let's just go back to the hotel. So my gosh, it's our first time to walk here na walang tao. It's always full of people. Look, ay, na-appreciate ko. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh, ang ganda pala. Let's come with guys, it's always pila when we pass here. So first time ko dito na walang tao. Oh my God. I wanna
Fake
touch
shrimp.
it. Fake ba? Pwede ko i-touch? Hindi, totoo. May
Totoo yan?
ayun na. Oh my gosh, it's amoy plastic. Parang totoo, it's hot pa.
Ah, bakit totoo?
Totoo, oh my gosh. Guys, totoo pala. It's hot eh.
Eh, why did they leave it there?
Oh, totoo. Why did they just leave it there? No, I don't think it's true. Ay, ang sarap ng soft serve ice cream. I wanna try this tomorrow. Kasi pag dito, it's always pila. Okay, so cute. Can you show? The octopus. So, okay, today.
Ayos.
Thank you.
Let's go.
So, it's raining today and we have yakiniku. Oh my gosh, it's transparent and lava. So, we'll have lunch now and it's yakiniku, my favorite yakiniku in Tokyo. And then, okay, we're walking now to the restaurant and it's raining. But I love the weather. It's not sticky, it's not humid. And today I'll go shopping. So, okay, lunch. Let's go, Phil. Oh, by the way, ayan, Dolce & Gabbana. Okay, Louis Vuitton over there. So it's all shopping this area. We're staying nearby. We got so tired from the World Expo. So now medyo relaxed na. So, okay. See you later. Bye. So, okay, we're finally here in Oreno Yakiniku. So, do they have Jojo again? Actually, Jojo N is my favorite, but you know, Oreno is okay for us. Wow, I'm so excited. It's raining over here, and we put you. Oh my God, look at the Kobe. It's all open. Push. Ow. Touch. But so nice. It looks so clean. And walang tao.
I love this screen.
Because we're
Oh,
late
very clean.
on RV. Wow.
Where do you like to sit?
There. That's so nice there.
Huh?
Can you sit there?
Goodness.
Oh, it's nice. It's excited. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited! And look at the... Okay, fresh wasabi.
Ganyan, no?
Okay, can you do it for me, Phil?
It's a butcher.
Okay, you
Taka can do it. Taka, hi! Thanks for coming from Tokyo.
Yes, I
From Tokyo for the day. He'll do the wasabi for us. Fresh wasabi. And of course, this yakiniku. And Philip, are you excited?
Super excited.
Super excited. How about me? Can you take a... I'm so excited. Ah, let's cook it. But I will take a photo.
Okay, good,
Okay,
good.
photo.
Photo.
Babe, hindi ka magaling mag-photo. So another one, it's Kobe beef. Okay, let's try. We're trying several kinds of beef. Okay, so let's try it.
Nagselfie.
Like splurge in Uniqlo. So, okay, what are you ready? Thank you. Ang lakas ng loob ni Philip mag-shop. So, okay, we're done? Thank you so much.
Thank you. So,
Let's keep this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go. So I'll get this. Like, I can try. I think no more other spots.
Yes. Oh, just the direct chemistry and no need to
Okay, I'll get this.
Yes,
So it's the only one. No stock, only last. Okay.
Yes, it's the only one.
Okay, how about this? I want to try this.
I check it
Oh, but I think white is nicer, but it's easy to get.
Yes, I think the white more suited for me.
You think?
Yes. But you can try this one.
Other side.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
So, okay, which one is nicer?
Which one?
Yung white po.
White. Most of them over here. I'll just get the white. And suitable for the summer. Yeah, and this one.
Yeah, summer.
Yes.
So I'll get that. Lot, saan ka galing? The whole morning I was looking for you.
Chanel po, ma'am.
Anong ginagawa mo sa film?
Kunwari lang, tingin-tingin doon sa loob.
Kunwari meron kang pagdahil. Ano, mahaba ang pila?
May pila po. Maraming tao sa
I
loob.
think you have our product store member.
Oh, yeah, member. Okay.
Yes, please. You must understand.
Like, like oval.
Ma'am, sa taas, ma'am. Sa taas po, ayun o.
Mahalo. I don't want it black. So, okay, para naman I can wear something in Boracay. In what? No, it's okay. I'll pay for this. I have to call Phil. Kasi, yung meet sa, in Daimaru. But we're still here. So, let's call. Ma'am, 2 or drinks.
Orange juice po.
Or mag-orange juice ka pa. Okay, they'll get you.
Ma'am, binili yun.
Lot. Okay, saan ka galing?
Pumunta ako sa Chanel.
Oh my God. Where else?
Pumasok ako sa Louis Vuitton.
Anong ginawa mo?
Tingin-tingin lang.
Kunwari, mag-shopping ka.
Tapos pumasok ako sa Devonji.
Givenchy. Lot. Kaya pala. So guys, si Lot, hinahanap ko. Ma'am, nasa Chanel ako, Lot, bilisan mo. Yun pala, nag-ship ko dito. Okay, thank you.
Wow.
Lot. Okay, get
Wow. Pure.
Okay. Of course, get mo yung mo. Linen,
Wow, namaganda.
wipes. So, okay, Lot. Saan pa? Saan ka pa pumunta?
Pumasok ko sa Louis Vuitton, sa Devonji, sa Chanel, sa Dolce & Christian Dior. Pumasok ako doon.
Ay, kasi Lot.
Tapos ma'am, nagpila-pila din ako kunwari.
So, meron kong record.
Oh, hindi nagpila-pila kunwari para may line-line ba.
So,
Pumasok
Lot,
ako doon.
alam ko na, why did you go there? Kasi yan yung mga line of business mo, Bag selling sa Lot.
Oh,
Pero guys, hindi fake yung kay Lot ha. Just yung mga same lang, pero hindi yung brand name. So, okay, Lot. Okay, drink mo na. Buksan mo na to.
may pa.
Which tax free already.
Yes.
Yeah.
Siyempre, hindi niya naman yung ubos. Ako na naman iinom. Tapos yung sa akin, siyempre, tinago ko.
Ano pa ang juice mo?
Opo, ma'am.
Already taste-free. No need to anything.
No need. Okay.
Siyempre, ako ang nag-ubos yung sa akin. Ayan, nakatago. Alam mo naman, si ma'am.
Ayan, sure. Let's have a photo. Gusto mo magpapicture.
Oh, picture. Can I take picture? Ay, selfie daw. You.
You like,
Thank you very much.
Yung picture daw siya. Akin pa cellphone gamitin. Okay. Ay, ako pa. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Much.
Sige na, mahirapan ka. Yuko ng yuko. Paya ko. Ma'am, alam ko ma, hindi ka marunong magbitbit eh. Doon ako Chanel sa dulo. Tapos tabi nun ma'am, di Banji. Tapos sa sunod nun, ang Dior.
kaya ka nawawala. Masyado ka nag-window shopping.
Ayan o, ma'am, si Lynn pa, mayroon pa si Lynn. Pasok pa sana ako na sa Balenciaga, kaso tumawag ka na eh.
So, hindi mo na complete.
Hindi ko na kumpleto.
Okay, pumunta ka na tomorrow.
Dito, oh. Ang ganda dito, ma'am, kasi kahit wala kang bibili, ni-assist ka.
Ay, guys, nagpa-assist pa rin si Lot.
Kaya, sukat-sukat din ako ng mga bag, kunwari. Oo.
Eh, sana nag-video ka?
Bawal, ma'am.
Bawal. Oh, last one. Oh, okay. Okay. Everything okay. And this one? Lahat pa kami. Sure ka wala pa ako nun?
Stripe yun ma'am sa'yo, yung stripe na green.
Sure.
Gray dito, tapos stripe.
Okay. Sige, okay. Lot. Ma'am, yung mga gamit, yung mga na-shop na, bring it to the hotel, okay?
Opo, ma'am.
O sige, tapos magkita na lang tayo later for dinner.
Opo.
O sige, mag-shop ka kung may magustuhan kayo. Mga tigpa 5,000, 3,000, 1,000 pesos.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, yun sa may Chanel kanina.
Anong ginawa mo sa Chanel?
Sabi ng babae, this is, I recommend to you, this is a new, this is a big sale of my food, this is bag. This is, okay.
Okay, magkano daw? Magkano?
1.5.
1.5 million yen.
Oo.
Ay, ina-assist ka talaga sa Chanel.
Tapos nagpila-pila din ako doon, kunwari.
Nagpa-register ka. So now you have record na sa Chanel.
Oo. Kasi nagpila-pila. Tapos sabi niya, is line. Tapos record. Tapos nilagay ko pa, number mo lang yung nilagay ko.
Alam mo, Lord, kaya pala, buong morning wala ka. O sige na, okay, magmerienda ka na lang.
Papasok ko sana ako sa ano.
Magmerienda ka ng coffee shake, ha?
Opo, ma'am.
O sige, magmerienda ka na, then go back to hotel.
Ma'am, yung alaya shoes niyo po.
Ay, okay, daanan natin yung shoes, ha?
Sige po, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay. Si Philip, excited ka na ba sa tempura?
Yeah.
And you know,
Tempura.
this is so masarap, no? You try it. Sarap. Ah, it's good.
Miso.
What's that, miso? Okay, we're waiting for our food. And si Lot, was just shopping alone. Kanina pang morning. So, ako ang camera girl.
Makino sa sa kami.
Makino set. Whoa. Chicken and fish. And, okay, of course, shrimp tempura.
Mas malaki siya ng tipo.
Yeah. Saan si Joy? Oh my God, you made it to our meeting place, Lot. My God, kanina ka pa? At nag-Starbucks. Okay, let's go. Guys, may lakad kami ni Joy. And, oh my gosh, halika na. So, oh my gosh, come on, let's go. Anong lunch mo today?
Ramen.
Ramen? Ako, hindi pa ako nagla-lunch, ha? Okay, let's go. We're crossing Glicos. That's why I don't wanna pass here. Ito naman, it's a sea of humanity. So every time we pass it, it's like that. And it's really good. Guys, ito yung store na nag-utang ako kay Daddy. Naalala nyo sa may Hotel Nico? Dito nag-utang ako kay Daddy. Pinutang niya ako ng yen. Hanggang ngayon di pa bayad. Nanginis ko si Daddy. Oh my gosh, yeah. Si Phil, kahit ano, binabay niya for me. Oh my God, Phil, thank you. Love you, babe.
10% off yung
Yabang niya, Phil na Phil, oh. Phil na Phil.
Shopping, guys. Last minute.
Okay, is this good? Oh my God, it's so hard to walk. It's so hard to walk. So, okay, do you have 7.5 again? I want to try it. This one is okay too, but I need inserts. But you know here, that's a problem. There's a space. Oh, there's a space. Look, there's a space. But the length is good. So this is the 7. This is, I think this is good.
Good. I think 5 is
Okay, I'll get this. And, okay, my credit card. Babe, your credit card, yes?
Do you have a diamond 82? 9 floor.
Oh, 9 more. Okay.
This is a special box.
Yes. Okay.
Maganda.
Okay, ako na yung box.
Di, ma'am, maganda yung box.
Maganda ba?
Opo.
Leather, no?
Oh.
Kaya alam, ang laki sa mga
Maganda siya, ma'am. Para siyang baul.
Kasi lagay ng lens. Okay, let's go. Guys, na-change na ako to rubber shoes kasi ang sakit ng fit ko. Thank you.
magkano yun?
Very cheap. 70,000. It's very cheap.
She's happy because one buy.
How much is it?
Right? Yeah. Ma'am, sabi niya ako sa English, sa salita nila, special din yun sa mga babae pag mayroong gift ng ang love.
Don't say the price.
Yeah, we don't know.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Okay, thank you.
This is our last night here, and we're passing by Glicos. The people are crazy, and I'm so tired. So hindi pa kami nakakapak, but I really wanna eat this grilled king crab. So we're walking all the way there. Let's go. So crowded. So we're back here for the grilling thing. This is 24 hours. So where do we sit? So okay, here we came here for the grill thing. king crab. And Phil, okay.
I'm done dinner. Andun sila ma'am sa loob. Kasi ako, nag-dinner ako doon sa Kamukura soup noodles. Sila ma'am dyan. Diyan na sila ma'am. Tapos na silang mag-dinner. Opo ma'am. Diyos ko, grabe. Laki ng bowl.
Bowl? Baka bowl. What? Bowl.
Bowl
Not
pala.
toilet bowl. Ano masarap?
Oo, masarap.
Kami rin, masarap ng food truck. So, okay, let's go back to shopping. Let's go.
Sarado na po ma'am.
Wala, ay, that's our hotel na. So, guys, nagwa-walk kami dito kasi yung hotel is very near. This is what I like in Osaka kasi everything is walkable. Unlike in Tokyo, oh my God, everything is so far from each other. Kailangan meron kang car.
Siyempre, parang langgam na nagdikit-dikit. Asukal.
Drink something. Ako, ano na lang, I'll eat ramen later.
Di,
Akin mag-pack.
di ka pa.
I'll pack.
Si ma'am di pa nabusog.
So,
Magramin pa daw siya.
let's go to the hotel.
Di kaya siya makuryente niyan.
So, we're walking to the hotel.
Oo yan ma'am.
Alin?
Ayan siya.
No, statue yan. Wala yan, Lot. Ay, Lot! Ba't mo tinatch? Totoo ba yan? Ay! Oh my God! Ay! Oh my God! Ay! Oh my God! My God, akala namin statue. Lot, ikaw kasi, why mo hinawakan? Yeah, it's real pala. Oh my God. Oh, statue performer. Okay. Okay. So, I got gulat. Lot. Next time, don't touch anyone. Pinapadance ni Lot. Baka may boyfriend na nakuha na si Lot. Oh, kamukha rin niya. Sobrang cute, oh. Pwedeng boyfriend ni Lot.
Like Michael Jackson.
Lot, di ka niya naintindihan. Okay. Thank you. Thanks. For the first time, the place is not crowded. Wala na. So, okay, let's go and shop. And shop and pack. Grabe. Ayan kung ano.
Si ma'am si Chanel, ayun no. Nag-Hermes na yan kanina. Naglo-lemon pa mo. Ngayon no, nasa Chanel na naman siya. Ay binili na naman po si ma'am. Ayun no. Natawagan niya si sir. Saan ka na? Sabi niya. Magbabayad na ako. Sir? Sir, pin na lang po sir. Sige.
Huwag ka nang kumain. Halika na, mag-shop na. Kumain sa plane naman.
Ang dami ko serving eh.
Miss Bo, huwag ka na magkain. Puro ramen na. Ang dami mo ng ramen na kinain, Lot. Huwag ka na
Oh, sir, pin na lang.
Port.
Oh, nag-Prada na naman siya. Nag-Prada na naman si ma'am. Ay, last minute kami guys kasi hindi siya nakapag-shop doon sa street na kung saan kami. Kasi si ma'am busy, maraming ginawa kaya nandito siya ngayon sa airport na bili. May Hermes na siya, may Chanel, now is Prada. Bibili niya talaga guys. Ayan, nasukat na. Ganda ng shoes ko. Ma. Thank you po, ma'am. Ayan. Gagamitin niya daw yan, guys, sa Boracay. Ayan. Yung malaki po. Opo. Maganda din yan, ma'am. Maganda rin yan. Maganda yung bilog po, ma'am. Yung bilog po. Opo. Suki na yan dito si ma'am. Ayan no. Kasi yung pagpunta namin dito that time, dito rin siya namili. Kasi laging last minute. Ang damit pa siya. Sige ma'am, busin mo credit card ni sir. Ayan, nagsukat na ng jacket. Hindi na makita, may manikin. Kasi guys, bawal mag-video doon sa loob. Kaya po sekreto lang to. Sekreto. Sekretong malupit.
Susubo muna ako. And then, I'll go back.
Okay. Kaya mo, nagutom siya. Puntas kay sir. Guys, kumain yan kanina. Kakain siya ulit. Ayan, ayun. Diba? Si ma'am di nabubusog yan. Oh,
Go back. Eat and then,
okay, 1, 2, 3.
Lot, balik ako sa ano, sa
Oh.
picture. Lot, remember us?
Yeah.
Remember us? Sa Ata?
Yes.
Remember us?
Yes.
Yes.
Ayan, sa hapa.
And remember, no? Yes, yes. We saw her after. Yes. They stayed at the same hotel. Yes.
Sa 7th floor po sila, ma'am. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Okay, pay na ako. Double time, eat, and then...
Ma'am, boarding na. Ano mo? Oh, boarding na. Na, napili na, nagbayad na. Yan na, nagbuwan na yung mga ano. Kasi boarding na. Oh my goodness. Ah, vibe sila. Thank you. Yan.
Lot, kanina nirarush mo ako tapos ikaw pa lang ngayon nagbabay ng bread. Okay, faster na, go!
May bari ako. Sige.
Parang masarap to, ha? This looks good, ha? Yung margarita, ayaw nyo ng margarita. Oh my gosh. Lot, boarding na. Let's go. Faster. Mag-pay ka na. Mag-pay ka. Si Lot rushing me. Ngayon siya naman ang boarding na. Let's go. So guys, okay. We'll do my outro here. Ito, si Lot kasi ang nagpapay ng bread. And boarding na. So guys, this is it for my Osaka trip and World Expo. So guys, I hope you like it. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!